Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Exploring contemporary bedroom door design ideas is a delightful journey into the realm of modern aesthetics and functionality. Bedroom doors play a significant role in setting the tone for the entire space, and contemporary designs offer a seamless blend for style and practicality. One prominent trend is the use of sleek and minimalist door designs that emphasize clean lines and uncultured surfaces. These designs create a modern and unassuming look, ideal for those seeking a serene bedroom ambience. Materials such as solid wood, glass, and metal are frequently used in contemporary bedroom door designs, offering both durability and elegance. Glass doors, in particular, contribute to an open and airy feel, allowing natural light to flow between rooms. Color choices vary, with neutral tones and muted shadows like gray, black, and white dominating the scenes. These colors provide a versatile canvas for personalizing the space with decorative elements and furnishings. The incorporation of bronze style sliding door is another trend that adds a touch of rustic charm to contemporary bedroom decor. These doors are not only visually appealing but also space saving. In terms of hardware, contemporary bedroom door designs often feature minimalistic and concealed handles or pulls, maintaining the clean and uncultured look. In conclusion, contemporary bedroom door design ideas for a modern look reflect the principles of simplicity and sophistication. These designs create an inviting and tranquil atmosphere in the bedroom, serving as an integral component of the overall decor. By embracing these trends, you can enhance your bedroom's visual appeal and functionality while achieving a modern and stylish look that aligns with your personal taste. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.